We are joined in by BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra on the day 4 of the BJP GDS protest. Sir, special investigation team in its preliminary charge sheet in the Valmiki scam has not named former Minister B. Nagendra. What is your statement?
The special investigation team constituted by state government headed by Siddaramaiah has dropped the names of Nagendra as well as Dadal, MLAs of the Congress party in the ST Development Corporation scam. This clearly shows the state government can stoop to any level to protect the corrupt leaders and the corrupt Congress leaders. So yesterday again, Congress has been exposed by dropping Nagendra and Dadal. They have done a great injustice to scheduled tribe community. The same people who looted money which was meant for the welfare of scheduled tribe community is been protected by the state government, Siddaramaiah himself.
So why the state government is taking a step behind in handing over CBI probe in the Valmiki scam? Why the state government is not giving the Valmiki scam to the CBI? Anyway, the CBI is involved.
Chief Minister is aware of the fact that the truth will be exposed. Chief Minister is also an accused person. He is trying to protect himself by protecting Nagendra and Dadal Congress MLAs. So Chief Minister clearly knows he is also a key accused in the Estate Development Corporation where money has been siphoned off, looted and been used to purchase liquor and also for Lok Sabha election. So Siddaramaiah is the main kingpin in the Estate Development Corporation scam.
So yesterday Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that before BJP asking the Congress the questions, it should answer the questions raised by its own party MLA Basavannagowda Patil Yatnal. So one more question, why the BJP is silent on Yatnal despite making serious allegations you and Mr. Yediyurappa?
See, whatever needs to be done pertaining to Yatnal that our party high command will decide. Let Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar need not bother and worry about that particular issue. Party high command will address that issue.
So have you raised this particular issue during your talks with Mr. Amit Shah when you had been to Delhi last month?
But which issue?
Regarding Yatnal's issue.
That is not that important. The issue is Bharatiya Janata Party and JDS. We are on the streets to protect the interest of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. This is the main agenda. This is the main issue. We are not bothered about other leaders what they are saying.
So also one last question regarding some of the BJP leaders are dissidently not taking part in Padayatra. What is the message for them?
You can go throughout the full stretch. You can almost 7 kilometers road has been packed. Almost all our leaders, our opposition leader R. Ashok, Ashok Narayan, Arvind Belle, Sri Ramulu, all our MLA, MP, everybody is participating in this.
So are you confident that CM will be resigned before your Padayatra ends?
I don't know whether he will resign before Padayatra, but is bound to resign today or tomorrow.
So also D.K. Shivakumar is raising, challenging BJP and JDS leaders to declare their own assets before questioning the Congress.
D.K. Shivakumar is only doing drama. He is more worried why there is so much of delay in resignation of Siddaramaiah ji because he is the chief minister in waiting. So अंदर से अंदर D.K. Shivakumar जी बहुत खुश है जिस तरीके से बीजेपी और जेडीएस का ये पादयात्रा चल रहा है, जिस तरीके से इतना उत्साह से चल रहा है. D.K. Shivakumar is the happiest person because he feels he is the chief minister in waiting. So he's happy about this development.
Thank you very much, sir. So that was Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra who said D.K. Shivakumar is the happiest man in the BJP JDS Padayatra.